In this video, we are going to give you an update with the Bitcoin price action both in the daily time frame as well as in the weekly time frame. As right now, we are seeing a breakdown dito with the Bitcoin price action. Well, what does this mean for the whole crypto market? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating mga previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin was both the bull market support band and the daily time frame, diba? But right now in the bull market support band, you can see na Bitcoin is right now looking up below this green line. And diba sa ating previous video, sinasabi natin na the Bitcoin bull market is the Bitcoin bull market support band is a good indicator for a long-term support when in times of a long-term bull market, this green line is going to act as support kung saan tayo pwede mag-bounce. And right now, diba, sa previous video natin, Bitcoin was still above this area, above this green line, so that was still looking healthy. But right now, as you can see, Bitcoin just started dropping below this Bitcoin bull market support band. So right now, this is right now hinting a warning sign for the time being dito with the Bitcoin price action. And initially, diba, sa previous analysis natin, we were hoping for us to see this falling wedge play out kasi this is very prominent in both in the daily time frame as well as in the weekly time frame. Now we are seeing this wedge forming dito kay Bitcoin price action. However, we are not seeing that playing out kasi yun nga, for some reasons right now we are seeing this Bitcoin boom, we are seeing this breakdown below the bull market support band. But here's the thing that you have to watch out. Even though we are seeing this breakdown, we are not yet seeing any sell volume, so this can lead into a fake out. So right now in the weekly time frame, this is saying now we are currently bearish, or we are currently below the Bitcoin bull market support band. But some signs are also indicating na we are not seeing any massive sell volume as compared sa mga previous movement na nakita natin kay Bitcoin price action no nagkaroon tayo ng breakdown. When Bitcoin previously broke down, we saw a massive sell volume. So right now, that is what we are not seeing dito with the Bitcoin price action, sell volume. But ano ba yung maganda tingnan dito when it comes to smaller time frame? So if you're going to zoom in sa smaller time frame, as you can see, this is the similar, ito yun, yung ating wedge na yan. This is the wedge na nakita natin in smaller time frame. In the daily time frame, so in the daily time frame, you can see na we are currently breaking down below nga dito. And we have started going down below the 100-day moving average dito kay Bitcoin price action. So in this case, what is the next move dito kay Bitcoin price action? So looking at this in the daily time frame, it's more likely na we are going to go back dito sa ating 200-day moving average. So right now, since we are now currently below the 100-day, it's now more likely going to see a movement up until this red line nito, which is the 200-day moving average. And it's more likely na we are going to converge dito sa ating 100-day. So in this case, the next big move na pwede natin makita dito with the Bitcoin price action is the moment we see a convergence or converging movement between the 100-day and the 200-day in the moving average. So the moment na mag-touch itong dalawang line, then dun siguro tayo makita ng dalawang move or dalagang big move dito kay Bitcoin price action. And yeah, right now it's still too far pa, but as you can see, what you can monitor right now is if you're going to go back dito sa ating red line, and that could range within $24,000 up until the $27,000 area. So right now, the most viable move that Bitcoin can make within the next few days is between the 24,000 up until the 27,000. 29,000 is now getting less likely because we are currently below some support areas. So yeah, right now for the time being, the area now we can watch out for the Bitcoin price action is between the 24,000 and 27,000. So if let's say you are in a long-term investment, it's actually now a good time to enter. It's not the best time, but it's actually a good time kasi we are, as you can see, we are below the bull market support band. So that is typically indicating that is one of the good time to enter in the Bitcoin market or the crypto market. So in this case, we could actually set a buy order between 25,000 or 26,000, which is the current price action. So you can set a partial buy order ngayon and then another partial order around the $24,000. So right now, what we are currently going to do is we are going to set different buy orders between the 26,000 and $24,000. And the moment na makita tayo ng breakout, then we are going to reassess the market. But right now, the most viable thing that we can do right now is to watch out this 100 and 200 moving day average in the daily time frame. Now, let's try to zoom in dito kay Bitcoin in the 4-hour time frame and let's see kung ano ba nangyayari dito with the Bitcoin price action. So in the Bitcoin price action in the day, in the 4-hour time frame, you can see now Bitcoin is still going down, but right now we are still seeing a support starting to form dito with the Bitcoin price action. It's around this area, so around the 25,600 US dollars. Now if you're going to look at the RSI started increasing, so somewhat this is a somewhat of a divergence, and in this case we might see Bitcoin go back to some certain areas around the siguro 27,000 US dollars lang. I think that's the highest possible area na pwede natin makita dito with the Bitcoin price action for this to move sideways dito with the Bitcoin price actions after seeing that bullish divergence. But if you're going to zoom in sa ating early time frame, I think that's it lang muna for the time being dito kay Bitcoin price action in the smaller time frame. So yeah, for the smaller time frames, I think that what you can watch out is this potential consolidation area within the 25,500 up until the 27,000 US dollar area. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. And take note, guys, if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin from scratch, make sure to check out our Gabb's Crypto 101 playlist. You can find the description down below. It's all for free. Lahat ng tutorial videos natin. You can use all of our tutorial videos and you can learn crypto from scratch and you can learn how to trade from scratch by checking out our Gabb's Crypto 101. You can find in the playlist down below. And yeah, we also have Gabbal's FC, so make sure to check out Gabbal FC on Instagram kasi we have games on the upcoming weekends. And make sure to check, if you want to play football with us, make sure to check out our schedule kasi you can join us. But yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.